Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to switch between navigation buttons and gestures. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, open settings on your phone and now scroll till you find display section. Select it and now scroll through the menu till you find navigation bar. Just like this. Select it and here you will be able to choose between buttons and swipe gestures. So, if you choose buttons, then you will find here button to go back in the menu, button to go in the main menu, and in multitasking. Now let's choose swipe gestures and take a look. So, now you have to swipe up and hold to go in multitasking, or swipe up quickly to go in the main menu. So choose which one you like the most, but I'm gonna remain buttons. So that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.